Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to your favorite channel, PhDians. Today I am really glad to invite you into a new exciting venture called One Journal in 1 Minute. It's a lecture series wherein we will be giving you input about a particular journal in less than 60 seconds. You can publish your manuscript for free. These journals are listed from Elsevier databases. We will deliver a concise but informative highlights of that particular noteworthy journals. Before moving on to the journal list, I request each and everybody to please do hit subscribe button and bell notification so that you should not miss any information or the content in near future. So let's start the video. The first journal in the list is The Microbe. It's a newly launched journal published by Elsevier. It is completely free until 30th April 2024. If anybody is looking for the journal which is related to microbiology and its applied aspects, please see the aims and scope of this journal. It has a wide range of aims and scopes, and it has published its first issue successfully. Here you can see it has published its first issue. You can easily download any article published in this journal. You can see here the article, recently article published by this journal, and